Hi, I'm Margarita Chtein, and I'm a fellow of the Canadian Academy of Manipulative Physiotherapy. As a CAMPT-Certified physiotherapist, I'm a rehabilitation specialist who has learned in depth the biomechanics of the body and advanced treatment techniques. This means that I work on multiple aspects of the body, such as joint mobility, tissue flexibility, and optimal muscular strength. I also put a lot of emphasis on education and prevention. Since the start of the pandemic and the transition to remote work, I have seen a rise of neck problems. And a big role that we play as physiotherapists is educating our clients on how to manage the injury and prevent the injury from returning. It's something I like to call teamwork. So if the patient understands why he or she has pain, then treating the injury is usually more successful. Here are a few tips to help adjust your workstation both at home and at the office. So, your screen should be at eye level and about an arm length away. The keyboard should be placed at the edge of your desk along with your mouse to avoid you leaning forward. If you have a tray like I do over here, place the keyboard on the tray and the mouse next to it, like so. My back should be resting on the backrest of the chair and my arms are on the armrest with the elbows at 90 degrees. Your hips and knees should also be at 90 degrees. And if needed, you can put a little footrest under your feet. Now I'd like to show you one of my favorite stretches for posture. So what we would like to do is we would like to stretch the front part of your chest. Place your hands behind your back and pull your shoulders backwards. So you're pulling from the shoulders like this and not with the arms. Like so. You would like to hold that stretch for 30 seconds and perform that 2 times. This stretch could be done 2 to 3 times a day. I hope that these simple tips can help you, but if you're experiencing pain, don't wait for the pain to exacerbate. You can consult me at Physio Samam Verdun. The sooner you treat the pain, the better the prognostic. Thank you.
CAMPT-Certified physiotherapists have received internationally recognized training in hands-on therapy. We can help you get better, recover faster, and stay healthier. So if you want to stay active in the things you love to do, then look for this logo. For more information on how to find a CAMPT-Certified physiotherapist, visit www.manippt.org.